Simple joys. Kids Pram. Ivory Bear, outerwear fabric. Type 74% cotton, 26% polyester. Lining equals 100% polyester. Synthetic Sherpa, fur origin, not applicable. About this item, cozy fleece fabric. Soft, warm fleece. Keeps your baby comfortable and snug during cooler weather. Adorable bear. Ear hood. Adds a playful touch with a cute bear ear design. Perfect for little ones. Full-length zipper. Convenient full-length zipper for easy dressing and diaper changes with a safety chin tab to prevent skin irritation. Footed design keeps your baby's feet warm and secure, eliminating the need for additional socks. Tagless comfort. Designed without tags to prevent itching or discomfort against your baby's sensitive skin. Machine. Washable. Designed for busy parents, this hooded jumpsuit for baby is machine washable, maintaining their softness and durability wash after wash. No need to worry about special care instructions. Just toss them in the laundry for easy maintenance. See more about this item